I have 2 gas cans set up. They're both filled up with water. And I also put that little tiger on top. I'm gonna shoot them with the rifle. I'm wondering if they're gonna explode or if it's just gonna punch a hole in it. I have them back to back right now to see if it will catch the 45. I also have some targets up there. There's another gas can, a couple clay pigeons. That's a peanut butter jar on its side and a bottle. Everything is done through iron sights. We're gonna be shooting from back there even further. So here we go. Look at that. And that is in. That went all the way through. Let's shoot that with the rifle real quick. Move the container out. Woo! That blue hole beside it. That's a big hole. Look at that hole. On this side too. Shredded it. Oh, look at that. Trigger right off. Put him back up on top and snipe him off there.